Are you looking to enhance your focus and comprehension during reading? Integrating mindfulness techniques like Positive Energy Booster, PEB, can help you achieve this. PEB combines mindful breathing with positive affirmations to create a powerful tool for concentration. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing your belly to rise with each inhale. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress in your body. Continue to breathe deeply and fully, focusing solely on your breath. With each inhalation, repeat a positive affirmation silently in your mind. You can choose affirmations like, "I am focused and present," or "I am absorbing the information with ease." Repeat the affirmation with each breath, finding a rhythm that feels natural for you. Allow the words to resonate within you, feeling their positive energy permeate throughout your body. Let go of any distractions or worries, and simply be in this present moment. As you continue this practice, you may notice your mind becoming calmer and more focused. With each breath, you bring yourself closer to a state of heightened concentration. You might find that your comprehension of the text improves as you align your mind and body. The combination of mindful breathing and positive affirmations has a powerful synergy. It cultivates a sense of peace and positivity within, allowing you to fully absorb the information. Feel free to adjust your affirmations to suit your specific needs or goals. Experiment with different phrases and notice how they make you feel. The key is to choose affirmations that uplift and empower you. This practice can be done for a few minutes before you start reading or at any time during your reading session. Make it a regular part of your routine to experience the maximum benefits. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that requires practice and patience. Be gentle with yourself as you navigate this journey of integrating mindfulness into your reading habits. Take a few moments now to bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release any lingering tension or distractions. Open your eyes and bring this sense of focused calm with you as you dive into your reading. By incorporating mindful breathing with positive affirmations, you can enhance your focus and comprehension. Make this practice a part of your reading routine and experience the transformative power of mindfulness. Give yourself the gift of being fully present and absorbed in each reading experience. You deserve to have a peaceful and fulfilling reading journey. Happy reading! Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.